Hello everyone. With the project now at a very advanced stage, we have 3 hazards which require our full attention right now and for the foreseeable future. These 3 hazards are poor housekeeping, working at height and electricity. Let's now consider these individually and in more detail. Number 1, poor housekeeping. The BRT project is very much in the public eye. People drive and walk by our work sites across Riyadh every day. Therefore, poor housekeeping in and around our bus stops, our stations and bridges and other areas across the city creates a very serious public image problem. Furthermore, if housekeeping is not kept in check, it increases the risk of fire, it increases the risk of vermin such as cats, rats and mice. In addition, it can hide other hazards such as holes in the floor or the ground or even sharp materials such as nails and wood. In stark contrast, however, good housekeeping helps us make progress. With good housekeeping, our work is done more efficiently. With good housekeeping, morale improves. With good housekeeping, the risk to you, your friends and your colleagues is reduced. Finally, good housekeeping creates a very, very positive first impression to our project visitors and of course to the citizens of Riyadh. Number 2, working at height. The number 1 cause of fatalities in many industries and of course construction projects like ours is when people fall from height. Clearly, the higher you go, the more likely it will be that serious injury or even death may occur should you fall. But remember that even falling a short distance can result in injury and perhaps even worse. In addition, the more working at height that we do, the more we increase the risk of something being dropped. This includes us dropping hand tools such as hammers and spanners and of course our materials such as aluminium cladding, screws, nuts and bolts. With some of our work areas in very, very close proximity to the public and high-speed traffic, reducing the risk of falling and reducing the potential for dropped objects must be given our full attention at all times. If not, then the consequences to both the public, to the project, and possibly to you could be severe. Number 3, electricity. As you will no doubt be aware, we are now energising electrical systems right across the project. And this process will continue at a pace over the coming months. It is therefore abundantly clear that the risk to you and others from electrical shock will increase also. Please remember that all our bus stops, our stations, our bridges and terminal buildings are built of aluminium and steel. These of course are great conductors of electricity and even the slightest contact with a live wire can pose an extremely high risk to both you and to members of the public. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, and I cannot emphasise this often or strongly enough, all our contractor groups have accepted electrical safety management plans, processes and procedures. And these must be implemented fully during any and all work on or near energised systems on the BRT. If you have any questions or queries on this short safety brief, please contact me or any of the SMBRT Project Safety Leadership team at any time. As always, thank you very much for watching, thank you very much for listening. Bye for now, and I shall see you soon.